the rarest and most endangered animals in the world. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Nature's Beauty. Today, we're going to be talking about the rarest and most endangered animals in the world. There are many animals that are facing extinction today. Some of these animals are so rare that there are only a handful of individuals left in the wild. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the rarest and most endangered animals in the world. We'll also talk about what's causing these animals to become endangered and what we can do to help save them. The rarest animals in the world. Here are some of the rarest animals in the world. Vaquita. The vaquita is a small porpoise that lives in the Gulf of California. It is the smallest marine mammal in the world and is the most endangered cetacean. There are only around 10 vaquitas left in the wild. Amur Leopard. The Amur Leopard is the rarest big cat in the world. There are only around 84 individuals left in the wild. Amur leopards are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and inbreeding. Sunda Pangolin. The Sunda Pangolin is the most trafficked mammal in the world. It is hunted for its meat and scales, which are used in traditional Asian medicine. There are only around 5,000 Sunda pangolins left in the wild. Mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla is the largest primate in the world. There are only around 1,000 mountain gorillas left in the wild. Mountain gorillas are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Hawksbill turtle. The hawksbill turtle is a critically endangered sea turtle. It is threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and pollution. There are only around 25,000 hawksbill turtles left in the wild. Black rhinoceros. The black rhinoceros is the second largest rhinoceros species and is critically endangered. There are only around 5,500 black rhinoceroses left in the wild. Black rhinoceroses are threatened by poaching for their horns, which are used in traditional Asian medicine. Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan is the smallest of the 3 orangutan species and is critically endangered. There are only around 14,000 Sumatran orangutans left in the wild. Sumatran orangutans are threatened by habitat loss and poaching. Yangtze finless porpoise. The Yangtze finless porpoise is the most endangered cetacean species in the world. There are only around 1,000 Yangtze finless porpoises left in the wild. Yangtze finless porpoises are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Northern white rhinoceros. The northern white rhinoceros is the most endangered mammal species in the world. There are only 2 northern white rhinoceroses left in the world, both of which are females. Northern white rhinoceroses are threatened by poaching for their horns. California condor. The California condor is the largest land bird in North America and is critically endangered. There are only around 500 California condors left in the world. California condors were nearly driven to extinction due to lead poisoning, habitat loss, and poaching. However, thanks to conservation efforts, the California condor population is slowly recovering. These are just a few examples of the rarest and most endangered animals in the world. It is important to remember that every animal plays a role in the ecosystem, and we need to do everything we can to protect them from extinction. What's causing these animals to become endangered? There are a number of factors that are causing animals to become endangered. Some of the most common factors include habitat loss. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to endangered animals. As human populations grow and expand, we are destroying the natural habitats of many animals. This forces animals to move to new areas where they may not be able to survive. Poaching. Poaching is the illegal hunting and killing of animals. Poachers kill animals for their meat, fur, or other body parts. Poaching is a major threat to many endangered animals such as elephants, rhinos, and tigers. Climate change. Climate change is another major threat to endangered animals. Climate change is causing changes in temperature, precipitation, and sea level. These changes can make it difficult for endangered animals to survive. What can we do to help save endangered animals? There are a number of things that we can do to help save endangered animals. Some of the most important things include support conservation organizations. There are many conservation organizations that are working to save endangered animals. We can support these organizations by donating money, volunteering our time, or spreading the word about their work. Reduce our impact on the environment. We can reduce our impact on the environment by making changes to our lifestyle, such as driving less, using less energy, and recycling. Reducing our impact on the environment will help to protect the habitats of endangered animals. Educate others about endangered animals. We can educate others about endangered animals by talking to them about the threats that these animals face and what they can do to help. Educating others can help to raise awareness about endangered animals and encourage people to take action to protect them. The rarest and most endangered animals in the world are some of the most amazing creatures on Earth. We need to do everything we can to save these animals from extinction. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our impact on the environment, and educating others about endangered animals, we can help to ensure that these animals survive for future generations. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about nature, wildlife, and conservation.